Frustrated by the Speech UX Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. As we prepare to resolve Speech UX Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Speech UX Library, the Speech User Experience Library. It houses the unmanaged UI templates for the speech recognition setup wizard and control bar. It facilitates the visual orchestration of the voice input manifest and manages the data link between the user and the SAPI speech API engine. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scannow to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Speech UX Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Speech UX library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Speech UX Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Speech UX library dependencies. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Speech UX Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.